Kwaba eba Tete Mmofra online TV so oh share Tete Mmofra Akohunu midi at the God's love afum and always no say metina akonya ni mu a enya me nko a na me je ho nsam ebro me the finest MC Omade Omade
the finest MC in America nobody many MC amenya you pese me kaka ho my kaka
enye ye mienu pe ene ye ba be di dwumedie ho chiame ama ye wo one artist wo ye nchen a ono so ne ye beka bia ne ye betimi akasa wo so dwensen den na wo dwen fa ho ye frɛ no Star Flex Amani hey Amani die eso obi krom kasa o eso obi krom kasa
be ya Italian design right
right. Yes. Okay, Matthias, it's Italian
Italian name, yeah.
Sure. Okay. It's ene ye wo Star Flex we yen money. I'll be kind of entertainment stories no. I de na face so no ankasa muni afifi ni mu. Ye baba ye ne surgery entertainment mu. Ote honom sa ne be papa ni jam. Eyi ne nsu ne gu baby ni ehu bibia fa Star Flex ho. Enti time chuku maye. Ye twa ye ho sema. Ye beba sisia. Tete Mmofra online TV so Tete Mmofra Akohunu ni I just say enije enko a ye shase ye di nkomo ene ye stories ni kind ka stories ansa ye ba be kan some different bi crown pafa Star Flex on ye pese ye hu much about you me dem atew nyom and I mean who because of is it beat trap or what?
Yeah, beat trap. One of the trap.
Yes. Or no, and okay, so now we are going to dig much about you, what you do apart from music or whatsoever. But the same person, who real name you then?
Real name is Felix Osei.
Felix Osei.
Yeah.
So the Felix is your name.
That's my real name. Yeah.
And now they
Star
na kan we Star.
One say me what SS no we are say me sound like Star me Tonyoma.
Okay.
Me sound say Star me sound the upcoming into na me nickname is Flex. Into Star Flex because some who Sergeant said me sounded like
you look like a superstar so Star Flex.
But then I didn't really look like a superstar into. Let me sound like a superstar. Okay.
So to me who future is I mean it because see it. It's my friend we kana me could do and say
Star Flex.
Now they now one for Ghana ni DBA say Amani Italian name why that name Amani?
Okay, Amani name Star Flex but na go for Star from Amani. I think say you know share some movie be way back. Share some movie be. There was this favorite character of mine. Friend Amani.
Okay.
And I'm to be so it will be that Star Flex here. Company name of a Chinese company, but Star Flex, but so I had to add something. So I was like, I don't know me add that nickname into it so that very differentiating. So and I Star Flex Amania. The neighbor, yeah.
It's where he found out free.
Free Ashanti region.
Ashanti region, they say so.
Oh yeah.
If you are here fan.
Me free
Bushing. And one hour I know Papa Munina.
Yeah, one hour free.
And now busy work Kumasi.
Busy work Kumasi. Currently be busy work Boom Kumasi.
And now into Uko school and here. That means Ashanti region how most of training in I Kumasi base. Into Uko school.
Oh, because school
Elite college. Yeah. Okay, I know that school.
And one hour SHS.
SHS, yeah. One hour.
So the normal stubborn pa me kai that time konte kwa. One no private school ba could be so calm ho. Elite ho. Normal was our broken kwan so.
Broken. Answer
runabout. No me King's College. Yeah. Say was outside on. Yes, come on. Can later you can one.
Are they still there?
Okay.
You SHS no and you decided to further much in music.
Music, yeah. Mr. Kotesha.
Kotesha, where were you from?
Oh, Kumasi Technical University.
Hey.
Oh, Kumasi Technical University.
Yeah.
Oh,
I
said, I said most of the artists no more beba no more me alma maters.
Yes, a more school than entertainment in the movie.
Yeah.
So what course now all five?
Estate management.
Come again.
Estate management.
Any that me diame meba no see me diame.
They texted me.
And the upper who school ni mo na wa sha se wo to nyom na na se wo wie.
Mr. T Ankasa, but it was like me nim say reading it as a business. What I said, you wouldn't collage like you wouldn't say we're doing it for fun. But yeah, they drew adult to know say hey, tell it they only me be a fighting.
Yeah,
put invest into it.
More effort.
Because I believe say if you're successful in music, there's more money in it than being successful at your work.
Okay.
Maybe as a government worker or something. There are more opportunities in music, entertainment than any other work.
Now, how old are you?
I think so if you want to know how old I am, just Google, you see my biography.
Sir.
It's there, yeah.
I didn't know one person who can see.
Oh, it's like I don't know. Once I come easier, you picture me, viewers better picture. My picture me, my picture dear me. You understand?
Why are they on mobile picture who age need to like how are they age need looking like?
No, but it's there. It's on my biography.
That's the right now. Me who biography. That's the reason why I'm asking you. I want you to tell me. Tell me why are you thinking for people? So
no, I want them to research about me. It's going to increase my Google search.
Your Google search.
Yeah,
it's part of the branding. A brand.
Yeah,
sure. Me say ubisa me say me fa me na mama me ka se ko Snapchat no ko ade me. A brand.
Yeah, sure.
Hey, asemu.
That's how it is. Me to ask you, but that's how it is.
Inti, I just say phone call.
No, we search na say we call, we dig in that. It makes my profile stronger.
Matias.
Yeah, sure.
So and then Maminka about to dress now. Why this shades?
This shades. I just feel like I was shy eyes, so I need to blind my eyes.
Oh.
Yeah.
Matias. So will you accept it? Say and be strap now more people and who more?
Okay, this strap helped me like it make me like okay, or I did to popularity, but I was already viral when we didn't collaborate here. I was already my song was already selling in UK, Germany.
Oh really?
Yeah. Okay. It was a trend. It started with UK, Netherlands. A trend number of use one sign Ghana for whom say like there's tree in the song, like the Pakono Kachi. So it's a Ghanaian. And so I started to say cover or Ghana.
Like party say UK honor na for promotion I say foreigners count.
There was
random
it was just a post viral, but it's like going viral around UK.
Okay.
Yes, a bit too out or clap crana who some more me friends hey Charlie. But it wasn't viral here. People never knew about the song. Netherlands. They won't conform texting me. It was American.
Netherlands.
Yeah.
Okay.
Now I say American artists be in the UK artists, but I'm texting me like
song is dope. Me say Ghana called the emphasis Africa kwa no yenyum no baby e kokko e bia UK America number France kwa mu say artists be say minimum air trend or France. But I won't say it was a certain country
songs be or a trendy like there's songs be or that's why you need to have your target of listeners. What kind of listeners are you looking for? Who per Ghana for? Who per the street boys? Who per Brofu? You want international listeners or what? Me singing me to Kumasi but me and me and the Brofu. Because I had something in mind say it may not go viral in Ghana here. What I say? I mean, me say cover like
person international.
Me say Ghana folk cry and pepper for you.
Person content.
Yeah. So it do baby cry. I felt like I will never go viral in Ghana.
But really?
That time now, Jane Sadia, no one how many years I want you to.
Okay, I started professionally like 2019. Professional music. Say me co studio me I'm a project. It was 2019.
So like, when did you felt say me crampo Ghana for cry me no person I won't cover viral that?
Okay, I give up on Ghana like maybe last year January. I will never go viral in Ghana because of me too bro for you. That's what I can do.
So about him saying ka who relocate here to other country because who say a honum ni accept one.
Oh yeah, I thought of it. Semi relocate. And I started saying corner. Now artists from outside UK, Germany, Now I'm texting me for like say like the song is dope.
They appreciate your song,
Appreciate
but
me,
as
yeah.
a Ghana for no
Wrote
appreciate
to me
it.
money.
That's because of the English now using.
English.
We say
Kind
what
of.
the young fans say Kumasi to be precise, Krano. I'm pablo for him.
Yeah.
But Kra intina VGM no TGM. I am me say Kumasi for ni enka when we say yeah na ko echi. But Kra ne tema no ko mo blend no ti obi buy no we unity.
No. I don't say. We question as some way I work as see my baby so. Is I think see and it's not because of say chi songs are or more release or anything. We have many people they started here in Kumasi and more relocated to Accra. Ochiame Kwame Sakwa de ka
No, Sakwa is not tema no.
Sakwa de or tema, right? Other artists were Black Sheriff. No, nye Kumasi
What kind of doors? Doors in for music actors and actresses in that.
Yes, me say personally, I know me who Black Sheriff that time I know Kukumaka no. No me who ne da but na minim so ye Kumasi person say o bezi wa Accra e honom na o ye na afei so no outside, right? Yeah. So enka say basically say ani omo wo Ashanti region no ye mo we say me when they say it's because of say if they won't give it to you or they won't give it to you, they be a shataka. Shata see and VGM na TGM na omo creating omo categories. They know the people that they are going to give the awards to.
Yeah.
They know. And do you know something? Shatta will never pay money, see any money, say artist of the year or anything. That's the reason why Shatta will give you the mind. They do. Okay. They do it. Yenya evidence allegedly. Yenya evidence, but that's what is going on. But not seeing people or more Ashanti region. No, yeah, more chances say yeah more awards on TGMA. So right now, no, maybe who pass with songs no in any way be on man. See the kase Ghana awards city and ma feel and you don't care about getting awards in Ghana because Rap Father. Me hear no one in the interview be this week here. I think it's a Ghana Web and other social media websites no. Or my post say all kase enkrofo bebre ya especially omo manyini they have their feathers and they can fly all over no already no. Some people are saying say ono no ya see awards the enya me awards the enya me but awards na okasa enya ne hwe wa gisa that time na eya na hyase na no oba abeje no na ne ho pre ne so obenya award no but say na as wenye wie no hu ne sa say oye odogu bi nti wan fama na enya hwe so in a way no wan kasa no wan umpo waje atumi say an international people likes your song more than Ghanaians because of the way ya usito wonyom English verses now the ban right nti hu ne say years to come no Ghanaians will accept you in a way BC and Ubenya award.
Yes, they accept me. Okay, when I started, if you check graph now or your graph beer distribution company it was more of international UK, US, 50,000 Americans, Estremonium in Apple Music, UK, Ghana 1,000, 2,000, but it was imbalanced. But right now, after the remix with Bistrap, for anyone who said these guys are Ghanaian,
okay,
like I started getting that kind of okay. So would see you pan they are the top songs. See everyone's okay, fine. So right now it's 50-50. Yes. What I want to do is I want to sell.
You want to sell?
I want to sell. When you sell on Apple Music, Spotify, and those stuffs, it takes you to Billboard.
Billboard, you sell back without Billboard.
Yeah, is you. But if that's one thing, see Ghana, there are so many things that I will say we educate you on. We are investing on the wrong platform.
Okay.
We are investing so much in the wrong platform. It's not wrong. It's not wrong platforms. Platforms are it's honey in because we know how like little Ghanaians because Spotify, because Apple Music, because Animano. But yeah, doing in our audio mark. But it's just audio mark going to make found Billboard. It is not part of.
Yeah, no,
it's not part of their criteria. And I say it's not part of their like platforms I would consider for Billboard, boom play on all the stuffs. But B and I was say invest here much of your our investment and all the stuffs a year through.
Okay.
That's what we say at BB now post audio mark. But it is limiting Ghana. And then Nigeria they are arguing, they are fighting over Spotify. But we say do what like Davido, Wizkid, they are fighting over Spotify.
My member need the name kakra. Didn't me no ya adwen pa. God's love so international. Why you need in every? So it me international. Oh, buy easy class here, bejo.
Oh, it's good. It's a Black Sheriff International or Honum. And a Ghana so what I say. So in this statement, and I want to ask you, any artist be intimidated with that? So over as a musician.
Me angasa be because me nya ho hyehyesa and yeah. I just did my lane.
That's the brand.
Just in my lane. When you be like me send you by 14. Oh, I'm a verse. Oh, me who say be a Sakode wa. I know Sakode before. Sakode, I love Sakode, but me who need that physical. Me crabbing cool show crab because I'm Shatawali. Stumble me who know. I love Shatta, but I've not seen Shatta before. What I say, and there are so many artists. Me catch say Ghana has you know how even me song Avenger cover. There are some German artists out there wrote me. You know wrote me. I was texting with me.
Really?
Yeah, Ivorian Door. Her mom is my fan.
But it be hard track with that Avenger.
Yeah, her mom like Nimia Bema. Then the mommy they listen to my song like it's dope. What I say? Into you know ultimately story and all those stuffs. Effort. What I say? There are so many German artists. Like there's legend in Germany, like one of your old timers texting me like, "Oh, Charlie is dope." Into you know, motivate him say yes. I guess I said me the energy.
So do you have any influences, musical influences growing up? Like who are they? So what Bano be say and a be yam to pushing the cool when the moon yas uncle for nipa baby be an amian about.
Oh, send there my friends who motivate you like kakale when you need the push. But I hardly get bad. Okay, I hardly get say oh you need I hardly get those kind of.
And the way they'll be
but we are Obenya. But I hardly get them. But we are there Obenya. But
one say Ghana need to on your man. Acquire say last May day to be. When I think say thing like because you maybe say one say no can say as me see na me tie as a metal guy ni nyum bi. You get it? I just say what was so ye no what lyrics ni before say what feel like what feel and the vibe no. But so be tie the first you say when I be a thing thing you get it? So you get it?
The only place the only place like na ebuma bem pa catch me say Charlie stand out and intimate for Ghana.
Really?
Yeah.
Straight or catch me say Charlie.
Ghana
you must be a petri catch him straight.
That was my next question.
And I catch him say, and I'm gonna say, bro, they meet my and I'm heading. And I'm here to three. Okay, there are three my songs. I say mananti make a fool, be penny slow motion. I'm like, it's in there. But I can't sing exclusive. Mean to me say Kim Paluta. That's not my taste. Imagine
the but only we be who the English now what to know. It doesn't sound like Ghana English show. That's the problem. What you say, like the way I will see to you, maybe who obedient say maybe unye fully Ghanaian because uchi you know say many artists are last made ninga more they buy phone don't stop ringing like a English but a English I but there be but ono na nyese Kumasi full ono ni English no. It doesn't look like
different, right?
As a Ghanaian na etonyo.
Okay. So
it will be difficult in a way. So in a way you can say they are right. That's the reason why I was saying our fan base more outside. That's what I can say. But when I saw a video of you, now so Kwakobo show be now make you a short video, and I'll say you don't drop whack songs. Like, do you see some artists be more dropping wax songs?
No, many. But you know, it is okay. I don't know. It might be sound. It might sound whack to me, but maybe to other people it is. That's how music is.
Yeah.
Because we all Ghanaians, you know, one fan back, but we surprise them, say be a B, maybe a
we are
because who I would say too much, I would teach the one.
Yeah.
So it's just diversity in the AS. What I say. I don't see it that way though.
So it's cool. I like your energy.
And so why not? And you been on when you say a whack, and you type of band.
No, it's not. there are some songs below her. It's below standard, and you be below standard.
But
me, I'm marketing myself. I'm telling you that I don't do wax songs. So if you believe that I do wax songs, go and listen to you.
So be you. That's all.
Me. Yeah.
And make us a wax songs in a day.
Wax songs in a day. And you might tell us that you when you're there.
There be and I walk say be an AM day. This question is not for you. So please, wax songs in a
wax songs. Oh, and you be able to tell us and you're there.
And you're bang.
I don't know.
God's love you have bonnie.
Listen.
God's love you so you have bonnie.
Now, who and you wax song mimi.
Some songs be are general like majority because I get that songs I get there. So to me, but me one say Indomie be a Indomie adverts. Okay, say we there and be na enye wo there. Or me anyway say e will be there. KFC bar. Or person say it's good for everybody. But if you also my brain one out on KFC on fanya.
In Ghana, your wax songs.
Every country have songs that I won't say whack do. I don't use the word whack because it's harsh.
And God's like, let me come into it. Unse Grand Prix come so your wax song. If you say one thing in it, you know Grand Prix that Guinea superstar.
Songs be brave Ghana air whack.
One thing the voice. Into no could hear whack mouth. Because I mean you see that.
Yeah, there are wax songs. Yeah, there are some wax songs that are selling.
What was your first song you ever recorded?
Professional. Okay, man, I'm yet YouTube.
But the emphasis in account and how you felt about it way back.
Yeah, back then, we were just doing songs like the earpiece. I recorded songs, played up, putting it out there, and all those stuffs. It wasn't really serious.
You started all this from SHS, right?
SHS, yeah.
And SHS, they are in school entertainment, with the Ajudi, they are now almost the Babinti, and you men are the catchers. And you made it. Meet me, I'll come in. You say, first song about you, motivate you. So
it was pills.
Bao Ochro, not secrets never bad. It's me boo abem. But when you good a year to me say what you made them feel and a mammy and the pen who many idea.
There was pills. Me some songs about drug abuse. I put myself into the shoe of the drug addicts. And I'm a year you know.
In SHS.
No, it was after SHS. Okay. But it's just there, it was just we were just doing things. But it was dope though. But yeah, you know. People, boys from the street now, be into drugs. They were touched by that song. Then someone say, my drugs pen. Like, no.
Obianya offended.
They weren't offended.
Your drugs.
I didn't insult them. I put myself in their shoes.
Okay.
And it's like right now, my mom doesn't recognize me.
You were the main character
in the song. Yeah.
Okay.
My party left me. They left me. Like, way back, I used to feed people, and now nobody feeds me like some kind of. So I put myself I thought said they'll be offended. But once a bit me from say, hey, Chama, when we there. So I was like, hey, so you guys enjoy it. I felt like it's something that nobody's talking about it. People want to make money. So instead of telling boys the truth, they try to promote it.
Yeah, when say I is true. So
I'm not
say
scared.
me smoky. Now quiet song about smoking now. Me draw. Sana me dog. Na see me secret me kwa kana say me. Say you.
Me dog me catch you. I'm not scared of losing money in music. Music needing why yes, I had side hustles or I meet my I'll tell you the truth.
Okay.
It's very dangerous.
Music no.
No.
Into yes and fun.
Drag.
Till now finish at Shatawale no one fire him cast.
Oh, I feel money now.
Like who cast man just Shatawale say cast man will slow be no aka.
Outside social media, personally, I'm very straight.
Okay.
I'll tell you the truth.
So what do you do aside music?
Okay, because of my love for music, I went to music production.
Okay. So we'll be so the name your mobile.
I'm producing in Baby. But just doing it. But I knew I am the main factor. Like me, I was doing it for myself.
Okay.
What I said.
So performance is beyond our corner. I'm asking you this question because of shatter and no beer beat me this KBS are the amano. So right now performance is beyond our corner.
Any performance, I don't go for any kind of performances, and I don't even interviews cry.
And then interview hey, then we are blessed. Yeah, hallelujah. Hallelujah.
Amen.
Hallelujah. Mama mia.
And you won't tell me anything about interviewer and your papa.
Okay.
So like what catch me some Bradley I was
quality.
What I say, any interview, my performance stadium. I've traveled down to Tamale to perform in the stadium, like full stadium performing. But the numbers, but you want to say we are very selective. You need to be scarce. At least, interview now. Nah, relax.
Because they're branding.
Relax.
Okay.
I know some people they be out. Relax.
There's
difference between content creating and music. There's difference between you like don't. Who are you impressing? Who impressing wine?
You come say branding.
It's scarce. That's it. We are scared. That's why you are a celebrity. That's why you are. That's internet person would share home because stand by say all kinds of
last year what me both shows be say.
Well, last year I was me. How do we even say it? I was the main artist for like 5 shows around Kumasi. No schools. School they were this year like
school tour.
Last year the Mambo school yeah.
Normal performance, stage concert performance.
TBA Avenger party, Avenger Street Jam around the Sophia.
Sorry to ask you this question. Do you smoke or do drugs?
I wouldn't want to tell my fans if I smoke or not.
Okay, so how come you write your lyrics and melodies? You don't smoke, so do or higher no.
Let me clear that. Thank you so much for that question. See, if you are talented, you are talented. Upa num there. I know boys with it. Almost shit, but I'm studio. Yeah, any kind cry.
Yeah,
they forget what talent.
But I don't know. Okay, say you don't want to tell your fans to say whether say you smoke or not. Why? Why?
I think it's not important when you're passing message in music. What I say? But there are some fans out there. If I tell them say I smoke, they will feel like they don't. So maybe I'm bad influence. If I tell them I don't smoke, be or tear or shit, you feel like maybe it's not my type of person. So just be who you are. Who be sharing some shit there? Fine. So when who say me here there? Fine.
But one who say be shama okun ado so be shida.
Smart game, right? Smart game.
God's love.
Okun ado so be shida like e bia we hu obasisi na me.
Obi anti me influence me.
But I do what I want. Like what tribe they be mpa wonsu, but what tribe that? Oh, Charlie, make us smoke some.
I do what I want to do.
There be what tribe that say, oh Charlie, make us smoke some.
I do what I want to do, and nobody can influence me. This is me.
You do what you want to do. So what you want to do, is it like say in any way be am a one cause why you say I want to do something, I want to try this, oh make us smoke small.
If I want to try, I'll try. If I don't want to, because so we are independent.
So the question is yes or no. What try that?
Because I'm a trier, I guess I'm in trier. You want to get your point.
Hey, assembly.
Yeah, that's what we call private life. That's
yes or no?
Very private. But people will know if it's come. So they cannot be any say Oshi. Later Oshi. You don't know, right?
Like
I don't know.
More videos, more pictures, and
with the cigar and all those stuff. Yeah. It's normal. I'm not judging him, but
I won't say okay smoking now. Obi a drink weed so.
Maybe
is that what you're thinking about?
Maybe shisha pen say you are smoking.
Yeah, it's still smoking.
But you okay BBC say it's normal. Smoking is normal.
Oh, it's
and
normal.
I mean church you say God's love. Yeah, smoking ya drink na ko weed. But ukuta shisha pen, utwi shisha, it's smoking.
I'm coming. What's him say?
Let
me land, please. They didn't now say smoking. Yeah,
okay. Also, me gospel artist. I'm the 2 boys who say, but what I will advise guys on is hard drugs.
Okay.
Or drugs never hard drugs.
Okay.
Now will be a bit more fat pills. Like especially I saw some video of guy be 1 hour fat pills by 12 at the same time.
Red.
And they are giving him fans. Hey, 1 hour they're fans. Sebi who show us is here and who's will be anyway understand? So I can advise you on drug, but say no more jots and there is a problem. Yeah, sometimes. But let me give you a clue. Me, I like to be clean. Like,
okay.
Make sure my health need. There are some things I don't do.
Yeah.
Yes. That's a clue.
When you say yeah, answer you could break, you know. I want to ask you this question. Comfort Kwade. Like growing up, we saw him say we're dealing that we're taking in, and a couple of people bebre ohonoma or my ebimu ohonoma mu deny, but ye who results say is it red eye or so or no? I think last 2 years the story came on social media of which say hama ebo ami e de ne rehab. So I want to ask you, say right now I also drag say enyi say obi a upcoming artist now oba, what will you tell that person? Said drug na saying 2. I want to ask you.
Yeah.
Say sisi no comfort kwade say who say comfort kwade what to say drugs na ma na yesa wo sign na yesi ye wo yam hyewana.
Oh, me am shame. Because there are some people no matter they'll be catching it bia obey. Yeah.
Into say who comfort kwade say comfort kwade si you see bonyom nenyum bebre onum fam ye krampo si anu look.
I don't think say drugs to come and yenyum no come on. I don't think so.
Oh, they be main casa drugs in the man in yum na ye come but say that history and that story na ya attached to comfort kwade no. So what's ya wo say na ya body see you say na out sisifa.
It doesn't shake me. I've seen people who have gone down for West. People have gone down for West for it. When say normal life, when you be in a better papa, you'll be in a very good. People will go through a lot of, and we all can't be good. We all can't go through the right way of life.
Okay.
It is life. Papa, Bonnie, be very fat drugs, being so far. But our advice, you say, and other artists out there, drag, and you know, what draw good lyrics.
Yeah.
It is focus, talent, addition, intelligence. You need to you can boost your IQ.
Okay.
You can boost your IQ with so many things, and you will be boost. It is making you say a whole lot of shit. So I won't use the word shit. A lot of things, but I don't just say those things are sensible. What I say?
Okay.
You say so many things. Confidence beats my baumo. Now, yes, but it is not talent. It doesn't boost your talent.
Into saying say your last question and send your break. Saying say we shall say we bonyum no. E dia ba de na na wintimi by say enyom to a wo 2 year nti wutimi to. Wutimi kasa sisi e kasa tiskato a obetimi ato.
I've not thought about things like that before.
But what they right now my 3 seconds
Miss Council. Miss Council.
Then our person tell answer.
Ah, them go here, them go see.
Them go see. Is it a car, a house, or what?
Don't worry.
I shouldn't worry.
Eba will say yes.
Mate, it's a short commercial break. You really are digging much about your song.
Okay.
Now, one of your freestyle kakra. Is it allowed?
Oh yeah, sure.
I will see you for you. Try and host my ever see. And then staff Flex Amani or Hase and as usual MC Omar's telling so mention. So we already had our first conversation about staff Flex Amani. We dig much about him, what he does apart from music and a whole lot of things. It's to say we are going to learn more about staff Flex Amani. Staff Flex.
Yeah.
So far, what on do sing?
After my song cover, I scrapped so many songs. But I had like 20 songs. But I scrapped them, so it's left like 10 songs right now.
An album or singles?
I have an EP and a few singles here.
Okay, so what was your memorable collaboration? So I shared my say. Artist Ben also artist I'm in the 2 million music there. I'm not be strap and now that one.
Oh, be strap and a snake. The first song Avenger songs. I mean snake in the head. And the entire introduction say is very hard. Like
one hard guy.
Guy, Snake, yeah.
Snake, you know, I think see Umutu, is it the guy no comment on Nana?
Oh no, yeah. It's been my friend from day one. We started together.
Or audition, I saw him. I saw him
Yeah.
He's very good.
One day just came and was like, oh Charlie, or some song be put in your verse. We never knew Sebeko. We never knew. The song was there for like 2 years before we released it.
2 years.
Yeah.
But do you know said that guy no? I think what guy in Ghana for even 5% of it. That guy is good though.
Yeah,
because me
Ghana,
last,
we don't value talent.
Yes, last year Emra and I interview Bay, and me comment audition. That second year now me call Snake was there, and no more time na Abna Light and all those kind of people now more right mentor. That guy is very good. Oh, you're very good.
Last year, me call and I'm a strong man judge, and I'm a
last year, who was a strong man judge now? Jadint ya.
Say me sing here, rap and the judge. Okay, fine. I went for the first round. I was like, wasn't really impressed. When I was like.
There be uko no my interview na wa we hu say I don't know.
I went inside, I sang. There was this guy, also a mentor old guy, he was like, oh, it's cool. Then Strongman, what's up? I was like, yeah, but it's not really okay.
Hey.
I want to bamboo that's like, nah. I mean, the kind of song I'm doing. If you're not tears,
yeah, into who's a strong man to one of them.
If you're on I didn't say.
And I would die. Which year?
Like last year.
Last year.
Ghanaians no more year Sawe in audition. I know Mubuni problem too.
Last year, that is 2024.
Yeah, before my song went, bro.
Oh, okay. Into who's or
still have the card. I want to say, if you are disqualified, they take the card.
Yeah.
But I still had have the card like. Was it last year 2013? I don't worry, I'll dig it. But
and also, who are so giant me.
How am I going to Ghana? Know what I'm doing in Ghana and
International Americans they be make us this kind of say
2013.
Obia or the ope Americans we here family go score an example.
Maybe I'll come again in 2013.
Sorry, 2023.
2023.
Yeah, 2013. I think it was 2020 or 2024. But yeah, at that time, Strongman was part of the judge. I like him so much. We've done a collaboration. There's a guy who featured me and Strongman. Those stuff. But
I don't want to say
well.
Okay. So uncle. Oh, who's strong man now?
Because when they were watching the video, cry, a guy no one talk me customer means. I didn't go so.
Internet and when you saw me yes, I said Nippon General was one who feel say oh yes, and there was a monkasa like judges no.
They won't send us once in your car.
Me Matthias say audition and kasano. And yes, say ube go be in the stage. So I perform here.
The thing is in between. Or no fear or who say strong man will not understand on the crafts.
No, like only Americans know. Say me go say if we be talking rapping. Obiane do America, yo me go like I am someone
so, do you believe say rap now or they call American Got Talents now or qualify?
Migos.
Yeah, that
some people will like it.
You know, with the judge see it as talent.
Yeah.
Really.
Yeah.
Maybe you go to maybe you're on stage. What's their favorite research?
Mama told me
never say they'll be like, hey, what are you doing?
You know, they'll be like talking rapping.
Yeah, it's cool, but with the beat is cool, but
yeah,
maybe it be on team like that. That's why yes, do you feel do you think it's talent? You feel like these guys are not serious?
Yeah, trash, but Americans someone say talent. No be for talking rap on my say beat call me go yeah my songs are rap e be your time. But mo na ye omo fe bibia ye omo fe in Americans no bia one fans no wo nipa bia hu ni say na nyimta ntan we na obosho a otimi enya nipa be 1 million on ti ase ba obia ne ba Ghana ha
but there be Ghana ha say you know me when it says sa omo a song no can what say Ghana ha say I'm using patapa for example say patapa be to like that. Sometimes and you say be any pan on the crafts no ya dey bi omo hu but the rhythm na omo dey one corner even
is the
white
beat.
People were using
it's it
right
omo ntia so beat
like omo ntia she say so yeah when you say me when you say when you say you can say more crafts like craft say this person there right now those people what the name baba see but unya anything be say Charlie this person there me to me this person there
some girls be cool. Yeah, no, I saw what she was singing. I heard what she was singing. That did not qualify.
You see that?
Then I
mentor, no?
Yeah.
See the nose.
I saw, but by understand them marketing, all the more the way she is, the form correct, those stuff.
Marketing.
Marketing. Yeah.
And also to me, so
if I was a jet too, I would have done the same thing. like because I want people who make it nice. Like
yeah, the man
like 200 Charlie, I'm go vote in all those stuff.
God's love, it's me the 12 will be.
No, I feel said that. I'm not saying allegedly. I feel that's why.
You know, men so can't be on the form until you fan. Who's in Papa?
I didn't. Me who there.
Me near be Okobi. Tell him to know so.
My own no. Hey, yes. No, my own is saying I think 2021. So I went to Akuma. First audition na me koye no. Yes, now Akuma. I went there na Bessa Simon. I don't know if say menya dine right. Then I am Crawfordy. So when I went there, they told me to sing. So I went to because I sang this song. Kwame Eugene saying, "Me kwamo biaba kanya wo pechira."
They go do highlight for them.
No. Do you know, see, and when you go to mentor audition, most of the songs now we using even highlight. Black Sheriff, Black Sheriff, and you more comment or got to no how my
qualify.
No one qualify, but the audition now buy and you man know to that is not the me can say that journal or the what you say. So my stadium will say whenever you are going for an audition, judges they are looking for a particular song to be on you need to hit hard on it. So when I sang that song, I will say, and now I me bonya ya onipanya and hey, hallelujah.
What can we so the back of the
hallelujah. So
what I'm talking about.
Yeah.
When I was done, Bessa catch me say, "Mensa Antonio Mmofra." Then I sang Ebony song because way back in SHS, I was a literary group organizer, LG organizer. It's part of SRC. So now I was doing that. Now I act. I love those kind of stuff. And I started singing "Turn on the Lights." So when I did it was like, Ebony is crazy. You need to be crazy, you know. So I was like, hey. So maybe so no that time no. Do you know? So that time me, I'm a church girl, and I went there with my straight dress. So you know me, I will blame myself that time. I will blame myself, and I also blame the judges because you can't say you want to be an artist and you will be bringing that.
No,
it wasn't Fikesima.
They failed to understand you.
Yes.
That is who you are, and they didn't get you, so you just forget it.
But me, my own say personality 100%.
Yeah.
Personality, who say, oh, I don't feel like from
so what kind is true?
When as soon as she got there,
then it's not going to
the whole girl now wanting crowd, no like no the many.
We say no, I don't need a fan.
This girl qualify.
And then
this girl qualify. Remember I was her.
So sometimes na appearance
on backside bumper.
You know, so say na my course with no person
business no way they're not doing it to favor you, they're doing to sell their programming. If you don't have something that will sell them,
internet girls don't mean hate cry now you're trying your
all my boys now calling now.
She can't write.
Me call first and question say strong man can say I'm not really convinced. Maybe I didn't think, I don't know, but I felt said they won't understand me. So I went outside. I wanted them to catch them the boys and say, "Hey, Charlie, but me coffee." I said, "No, Star Flex. I don't coffee." They won't understand me. They won't understand.
Yeah.
So you didn't even do anything.
I did the first one. I sang a song called "Pills," like
that drug.
I used to rent for my boys and then made a phone. Second neighbor and then made a come. Way back Pantima, Nami Wodom, and then Minobia, and me found the phone. The journey because of 7% caught.
Yeah, well, yes, for the mom about my new eye.
Yeah, so I feel like, no, what am I doing? It's like, what am I doing? Let me just go home.
You know, free home. So because of me, funny, so when they say judges name to us, and because of strong man,
they won't understand me. No, they won't because strong man. I felt
but they won't understand. Or Jenna,
yeah.
And also was down.
They won't understand.
Okay.
So, are you dating?
Eish.
It's confidential.
It's confidential.
Okay.
Oh yeah, but I'm dating. Oh, that one I can
shoes
say.
or sneakers?
I'm dating.
You are dating.
Shoes or sneakers?
Depends. I love shoes a lot, and I love sneakers too.
African movies or American movies?
American movies for sure.
You like American movies?
Yeah.
Okay.
I feel said the time will come where African movies will look like American movies. Then.
Really?
I feel the time will come. But
So
for now,
what man estimates how many years now won't say you per se the Ghana movie back?
my problem is producers no yana won't.
So it's because of the producers.
I feel said they're not learning.
Producers
feel
for
they're not
movies or
No
music.
Movies, but I am fan called that.
Or you producer and someone imagine.
Maybe a producer.
And now produce you today if you be.
Like
If you ever me.
what's more camera transition be like? Camera the move kit where be say kwase zoomy. Like I don't know. Ghana producer like Charlie. I mean, we apply.
Or someone say. But I won't say God's love. So we open Netflix. Nigerians, no, see the movies still go on. They are really working.
But
Anna,
listen,
directors in South America and Lebanon see you. So when Nigerian movies like say Omo yana. God's love. I no go lie you.
That is learning.
Movies never no. Me timi sure but when that director ni for America for UK me say yeah, if you say
and Omo animation. They do
like
animation.
they ask the movies so mean this year.
Cartoons in Omo.
okay, so they say it's Starflex. Yeah, sua nneɛma bebree waka wo deɛ wa me ehun sɛ wo comment audition ehunti
Fast journey.
ɛna wo dwane
God's love I say so pe go be pa.
hwan ɛnyɛ madam for no no
Say me pass maka. See the man boy dey be say go be.
But me di bi ache. I think say baby amakote no.
Go be ni ho.
Beni ho. And as see am go talk na me ferry.
Yeah.
Because we're not so street popular at time, but we are there. We share obi a onimu. Oh, media
so banana oh, like feeling
no,
free.
if I ask somebody, I meet my suman de bia. But you know, I stay alone. And
are you living a celebrity lifestyle? When they say the work, I say Okoto go ba ferry. That's one for true.
See Ghana,
they
believe what they see.
Yeah.
They believe what they see. So they have a private canaba. A bit my fashion cut for true na be.
So private car wow there.
That's not mine.
It's not yours. So branding.
It's very important.
Yes.
Ghana they believe what they see. It's all on social media and social. Now you won't out to torture. The Ghanaians will judge you say you are nobody.
Yeah, what was it?
Me want to yes how.
Yeah.
And to how. You're just trying to like now you are living your life. What I say? You're living your life. So who say oh Charlie, I mean cutting cost, cut costs. Even if say what 1 billion say factor try and normal thing. But Ghana here they believe what they say. Who say okay factor na? When you be into now it's not chat out about Taurus Royce. Look I say oh money
yeah, packaging and branding.
It's who friend show a man $100 into $10 because you be scared to give him money because you what Taurus of bear for the $10.
Full crown po yeah.
God's love normal if say me cry say MC no cry no me. It thought they be na me photo na me free. And I say me yeah dey be public app. I dey me like una man o must tell o must depend ni mo. To me nya dey like o fans na be now you can say you know like.
But me to be honest I don't know the reason why but I feel so comfortable. Even class who me outside now I say hey God's love hey say yeah me I will give you vibes. Me I'm family who you like because I know say and do you know something me on see I'm telling you me what answers bebre wo me team I know say one day where I want to get to know if say idea I was say boy me mama level be a people see me like me nyanya ya me what answers I will give it to them because me that is me yes say but me see adwuma na see even can promise only delay your interview be na can promise enye yes we see ni fie nwie answer can promise the buyer is exactly what you are saying what you are saying so me when you say a branding me crampo senka ya hu sa akode na sa akode ba na the Corolla na abesi ha
Obeka
we will talk
like we say o but who expect it
more so I think say branding so can who be
won't be media so a big you feel so a big then now to change hey Starflex hey tell me who media so then in your mind you feel like so this guy have been seen so special it's not really as special as I used to see him. Respect number from Accra.
Yeah,
it takes a brilliant person the person will say no this guy is trying to cut costs
yeah
in your level but Ghana no believe what we see.
Yes, if fufu sika.
What's love? Me be to me that. Me cough na me faka call and fan baby ejuma. And me tina ken me so front na me kwat na yo. And someone like Omar Sterling, Reggie program don't say ho. Reggie program don't say ho. And when I girls say one chin omo no omo hu mi o ba na me tiko na ho mu tina I say enwi kaka anyu man at front no. Tiniga ne hala me no match omo phone.
No movie.
O movie video mo carnage. No mo nim say me na me timi na me tiko say na na hwe o. Tiniga ne oh ma what's up Reggie you need there. E wa no mo say o ma. Say me ka say o ma. No mo enti wo ti wa un feel okay.
Mini pay. Na yet Prague. Obiti Corolla. That was Corolla, right? Oh no, try me video now. Me Prague also. And they got 2 media so.
Yes, we home.
Yeah, or the 2 ones so it will affect the brand.
Yeah, brand in there say
it will affect the brand. That's time because it need to be scarce. Let me take Chrono. That was Chrono. I got my good song, my marketable song. I mean, I don't call it here. I call it the marketable song because at least it has been able to sell than some songs that hit here in Ghana.
Okay.
As long as they hit in Ghana, but they don't sell. Just viral stuff, but we will sell. What is it?
God's love me. Ni video ba kuna KJB bomba me. Sa Avenger no need be strapped and be some hard here. Ne anu de pa Avenger remix.
JB me pa choti en kai nyom no prepare my we are ready.
I was staying in Chrome. But
even crowd we are online, we can't play the song.
Okay. Yeah, I was staying in Chrome, and Chrome is a place at the Padoso. And me and you maybe I'm me pin and say koto, be have me fruits, no. I'm a koto me normal things behind me. I wanted to feel so normal, like how I used to be. But the boys no more hard thing. Oh,
well, boys, Nana say your fans.
Chrome for like one pontificates at you, like that's a guy over there. Me and my chef so simple. I feel say no beer, but passion those must do see you. Say
so are you staying with your parents?
No, I stay alone.
You stay alone.
Yeah.
What parents went?
My parents. More. My mommy or
Tema. Okay. And I will Kumasi. Yeah. Okay. So
any night to Kumasi now, like
Starflex. Me pese my vibe kakra.
Okay.
My vibe kakra bi. Nti enyum no. Wake kan say wo EP right?
EP. We have an EP long time here.
How many songs?
6 songs.
Yeah.
That's 2023. Yeah.
2023.
Yeah.
And I release
last
it.
2 years.
So how was it? Listen.
Oh, and sell it.
Do you have a management?
Okay, I have a distribution company. There like me top of the marketing people like when share.
So we try videos. I want out here and as someone the fan worker.
No, I paid because I have a higher percentage.
Yeah, 1 hour for baby.
Yeah.
I didn't know what it was. No,
it depends on the contract.
Okay.
Contract they'll take care of everything. And they'll give you 20%.
20.
Okay.
Yeah, but for me, I'm still an independent artist. But I have people I'm working with, a distribution company I'm working with, and also at SEMA, they're in charge of the money that comes in. What I say, the royalties are coming in, and they have different, and they've also signed to like this big distribution company. We have direct access. Someone said there's a difference between you putting your songs out there for them to market than for you to get direct access to them. Maybe a distribution company minimum year Juma, so they'll market you.
Okay.
Yes. So we've struck a deal with them. And
is it really helping right now?
Wow. It's helping. Just do they are promoting and you're also promoting.
It is
management.
Star. Into this year, person your concert to Kumasi, Ubinya sponsors. Say, emphasis Stroman, the year. Ubinya sponsors say, media sponsors.
I've not tried it, but yeah, I'll get. They just want to know, and most of the times, I don't person your song, how far it has gone and all this stuff. Send me during December, I didn't tell them to use my name or anything for shows, and they used it.
Okay.
And even those programs have sponsors. So even Tete Mmofra shoes was there. Accra was shoes, but I wasn't the I wasn't headlining the concert though. But
the platforms, social media platforms. They now who say TikTok.
Oh, TikTok, yeah. If not for TikTok, I don't think like I would have gotten my targeted audience.
Yeah, TikTok is really helping. If you say, sound be strapped there, trend amount for the videos near there, the man say trend.
But it's not enough. TikTok alone is not enough. your song can trend on TikTok. But up music now when your streams be out. Because I trend you in your grace. What I say? Senko for be who no Apple Music. No, I call Shazam. People have made hits on TikTok, but they didn't make anything out of it.
And you know, you can say in the next future, artists be outside. Artists be na person on any collab outside. You can say America, UK. Say you quite be a yaw talk, Stormzy. So what artists be
now? Stormzy, I pray I get his future. Like his the energy now equipped on Travis Scott. Those people.
That vibe. Yeah. O star ne dem sanko for anything me busa as a question. O star no sanko for ni bi na uhia wo mo.
Yeah, Travis Scott.
Like with
Central C.
Central C. Yeah.
The statement I will make here also TikTok is not doing.
I'm not saying it's not doing. Like it's not enough.
It's not enough.
After it has gone viral there, you need to put in more work,
effort,
and sometimes even grace because when you bit my trend, they now call Spotify 1,000 streams, 2,000 streams. But me forgot like got so good. I had people don't use Spotify anymore. So yeah, say even my songs has Spotify streams and some I just like than some songs that I hit here in Ghana. A whole lot.
Okay.
But people Rebecca say okay that song is a hit than mine, but Charlie sanity.
You read the Facebook messages no ekakra. Yeah. Daniel Creepy say or a new artist no person or promoting a new single. Me say
and you man oh boy.
Star Flex me say oh baby I want one.
Obonyumbe. And I say
he wants to promote his song.
Yeah. So person promoting it they say if I a big
he wants you guys to promote him whole.
Like say you bet to be able say oh you can help him.
I've not finished helping myself.
Yeah, depending on the journey no you feel no work.
But you should keep going, you know.
But Flex bet me aboa no.
Okay.
Omoye bi Olamide ye bi Olamide Tonyom.
This thing you have to tell Sakode and Stoneboy and Chatawale that they should help. See, there are so many things that say can, but you know the platform is not enough. This time they should be helping other artists, young artists, the Gen Z artists. I'm more basis here. Olamide were artists. Ashake, Fireboy, Adekunle Gold,
Omale,
top artists, Don Jazzy, Obiani who are 2 minutes Don Jazzy we have. But he has artists, Rema, people down, Ira Star. That is their legacy. Say Ira Star G Grammy is here, Don Jazzy is what G Grammy. But I don't know. Our top artists are still like they want to get it by themselves. It's not
star. God's love. Me say BB wo hono.
Maybe. What's the big stars no? I'm coming. What's the big stars no? Omo can be like they don't want to help Momo.
I'm not saying they want to help. I said that they should help. Like it would be a good like
star.
Idea.
They all kind of
they help artists. Like sign artists. Help them. Fino has an artist. He has Check.
Really? Check.
Yes.
Okay.
Starboy Check like that.
Yeah, I know.
He does Fino's artist. MI Black Bones. Young John is an artist of MI
Ibaga,
yeah. So Techno was an artist of Mr. P and Nyanya.
Say Techno no a producer.
Well, he was under Nyanya and Mr. P.
Okay.
So you see, people are helping people, and then no matter what, Nyanya was the owner of the label that. Yeah. So you need to make that's your legacy.
So you want them to sign young artists?
Yo, God's life. I understand you, Star, but you know, me who be that? Yes, some you are not ungrateful.
It's everywhere. But if you sign a deal with them,
strong man, Stoneboy, Kevin Boy, that girl, can never say.
Right now,
Ovi, Anna. Some you ungrateful. Into
in a digital era whereby you sign what, that's you under me. That's how if you mess up, I can take down your song.
Yeah.
We are in that era.
Yeah.
That time, no more era, no more nini hosa. Right now, the digital platforms now.
You can even have a lawyer. I think bullets says and some of sign or my wow the lawyer, but then
I had a story about this guy, Shay Vibes and Charlie Poppy. They had problems with their label. It was like they had to buy themselves out. Charlie Poppy, a song Lahu, they took it down. They had to re-upload it. So it's not easy.
Oh, it is God's love. Even say, Ayana, and then some more. a family a manager and ex manager and the former manager.
That time, they need BA.
Ogidi Brown. They say, oh, Bobudia, or the snap Nukusia, but who do I say, oh, it's here, right now. Family the BN, and to say, oh, right now, the law, and
my release a why China,
look,
why China.
So, and one of my boy, internet me in Nigeria, more content, if you say, TikTok is equal, or mutimi fat is no more.
If you sign somebody and you lock and do the contract well, and if I couldn't mean a business. And I'm protect your investment.
Start to me some home.
You can't, but this time the intimate person. Because while signing on, you have access to the song, you have rights to the song. And so how would I go out? And no now buy affect him on. So if you out journey without my consent, I'll still be getting your royalties.
Yeah, your song.
So how do you go? Or let's say we need better anything. You can't. It's not an excuse for you not to help others. Because
your time no.
Okay.
Pa tibe pa chom person my freestyle answer e ya mama mic no emben ma wa no mic no mai
me okay ben to me normal so
yeah
Avenger okay. When I say no evil, man, me no fear no evil. Them ask me what I stand for. Me I stand for the people. People, if you gon' stress me, I prefer to be single. My peace of mind is number one. No giddy, oh, I dribble. Say mananti, make a focus. Put my life on the line, so one day all this gon' be over. Be penny giddy, slow motion, I'm leaving. Them call me joker, nobody knows what I feel inside, I'm leaving. I be my own avenger. No be say I stubborn until me boo my bender. I be my own avenger. Nobody fight for me, no retreat, no surrender. We are fighting, we are moving, we are bleeding, we are building for the nation. Fake boys them a talk like women, gossiping about other women. We are fighting, never joking. If you don't know, man, you need education. Family man, you sleep with other women, but you criticize fornication. I thank God for my life. Take me to paradise. I don't dramatize. Make we finalize. I am healing. Them know we sacrifice. Man never slow down, get off the way, cause I am healing.
Hard one. Track me on. And GBB in the next 2 years. I mean, that track way.
Song.
And a video is very, 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 very nice. Director Ben director.
Oh, what? Nay, twist image like strap non
Kumurika. Yeah.
Oh, new song out the album so my freestyle.
Honestly, okay.
Title
is High Me. The concept about high me is like I was when you're addicted to something, that's the nail there, right? Okay. But this girl, me say she's sweet past cocaine.
Okay.
You know when you're into cocaine, nothing matters.
Yeah. What is
in this case, no.
Example. Example.
I'm asking a question. I know. When say you are tasting, like it's a own tasty beer. So let me ask the question.
But you know,
the question is what is cocaine?
It's very addictive. When you say addictive,
I've heard of it, but
you don't know.
But I don't know because
true research, like you've seen researches, like what people
say. Okay. So what can say be tasty? That means what tasty be that?
No, in pidgin, it's sweet past cocaine. Like say, I can say the movie sweet too. It's pidgin, like.
Okay.
You sweet past cocaine.
And then someone gave pass.
So Oba ni sweetie past cocaine.
Like who nyame ten cocaine.
No, Oba ni why bet okay. Ada Oba ni who dey you saying.
In every aspect.
Into my freestyle.
Okay.
God's love what they are saying about.
No, she's doing well. I get a girl where they send me money. I get a girl where they give me love and give me body. Head of Medusa with plenty money. I get a girl where her father be chairman for Alaba. Her oxylada, oh yeah, come closer. Fatima to send me your location. About they put it Chelsea for probation. You sweet passy cocaine. Your body is sweet passy coco. You sweet passy codeine. Your body is sweet passy coco. I know go fi contain. Body high me passy cocaine. She dey slow me passy codeine. Well, I'm singing right now, but when you listen to the song,
so can you do Afrobeat?
High me. What I did right now is Afrobeat.
Yeah. We on. We need to answer our question. a person money main character of video him. Tell for the video. So I mean, let's know who some
me I can't handle.
Oh, do try myself. Me see do video.
Maybe me come
yeah, do video. No too much video. Oh, fair enough.
So hey.
Oh, but it's an Afrobeat song. I just want to divert. I want to my 2 drill songs, and I feel say I should come up with Afrobeats like to catch the other side of
it. No so
and my fans be baby are like Afrobeats. Afrobeats.
Thank you.
Give it to them.
My Starflex, I just love you. I say you are calm and you are intelligent in how you answer your questions.
Oh really? So
I'm seeing you how I will see answer a question. No, not all draw line or a tunnel to Black Sherif. You know when you are interviewing Black Sherif, you can see he said this guy is very relaxed like that. Gagai. As I didn't redo my you know that vibe.
Yeah,
I saw.
Very careful.
Yeah, I saw that kind of vibe in you. So I love that about you. And I'm praying, Siani. Next time I be no. No, I a big guy cry. Now dear crana will see council, no see council, no at all. So please, me pacha brena be. And when him stuff like I don't want you to say okay off. We have a last story that we need to talk about it. Now what do I drink check a crama because what basse oh yes what's I a guest what am I say
sure.
So yeah and you na video be and as a story be and I'm a fontin time video so akwesi bruni ma be kase social media ne so and then am so e che say Adventist senior higher e wo Kumase Bantama abrantie bi and as akora bi a ye friend no and as ya to ni din wo social media ne so say ye friend Bernard edituo akọ school mu na etuo na ode koye no eye ne say asetuo na enya real asetuo na enya real asetuo na enya real e no ma one shot o test ye e no ode hwe wiem po sana ya real enti no eye etuo na etuo ye no ambo obi ani onemu me ho popoye kakra ko obi ani ama sese ade na akoye say ada Adventist for mo sa etiti military for ana and some no aye bebre wo social media ne so enu nti ye wo ye correspondent ba ko e wo Ashanti region ha se ya wo Angel FM sa wo Angel TV ene ne ba ba twetwe nkomo kese me pacha wo temi nka me so ma ne so kakra ma me nsema na ma be fontin time fidie su isen ena esitie na ye hunu wo social media ne so sa pepepe na ti ana
say around here the people as you put in your bar another time said your book class in the devil every who are back to my back back to 20 months no clear woman and say no clear I'm at the what day it's one of our
Kese na etu no akra no nya no hefa
etu one dey investigate in fact you better hwe nanka yetimi anya information through on him say Ghana han sisia no abana ya ni aka teachers for a police for not okomunja ona ka cho say ye ma mo kwan say omane media for another so for different kobo into that and the woman ni me so aje so we free fee say na papa dia but the mo chen so we free na buy into nyanya confirmation dia say na papa dia ana say wo no an na fufu bi ana say empo no na fufu no and I was this out so no about school mo
asese ya munyanya confirmation say etuo no say ono ana de ba ya na say odi fifie me pese me hu ade bi kakra say akra ne nabusuafo ne papa ana ne maami omu bi awo eye military adwuma yi mu bi ana
see ana de wo bi ta background na dia obi an say boy no amoabe no Bernard no nyabu ne me fa na say nabusuafo ebi wo abai mu ana say omu ti dwuma ki abai security ewo mai mo ye nya mu bibi sia sia na mom de me tete ne se me nyi ni se papa na bia wo yesa edima ne bi ba ye ha nyim se information betimi apa na ye tna rechi to say no kre se papa no eya aban adwuma e na tete ne ba no akofa tu odi aban adwuma no e dia ba school e dia ba di sa o ye ne se ya e na be ba bon ni am ye si mu ba ti sia de ye ntimi nka se ne papa ye sa adwuma na na so wo ye sa adwuma
me pese me say hu say whatimi any advances in penny form one ni bi atwetwe enkomo because say akradi tuo beba school mu pa dia me call SHS no every Friday bi I inspect ye dem o bed ni even phone so cry jejejeje wo bisa omo say omo disadwuma yi bi pen ana because entimi masa akradi tuo aba be hye ne ho saa na headmistress house master hu hwe
sene woka na medical car na say tia no amunya e kwan say ase mom emra bia na won ma kire say without the PRO and say director of the school no e be ka say yemra won cheche ntem nkire no mistress ni right over ka bibia che e na yenim say school so the way school sit here no se bibisi o school ma na school no etin ewom e wo afere kese pa inti omo man kwala na nka hwe obi so obi ala ka so yenim ho hwe Tinkwala de na say udidi nkomo ho no dia wotimi ni nya obi ani ni nkomo no obi aso nkire say ye nya afanya ne maame na di nkomo na papa na di nkomo na emom de ye ga ni ni say de mma wuni say maame na up to now akara na maame ye Suzy adoa no omutiri mo maame na maame because ye de won say e bia na maame no wo yare bi no nkomo na maame na okuta hwe a na nso de asem so bi timi aba titi ani de omutimi mo na maame na mo de and people what the intimate will be in Yokomo, almost say a information via Yanko education director or street. On number reported to night and information from.
Sir, Osha Bernardo, you'll be an enisu yashian and enisu ya crana.
Daddy Bernard over Bernard Amwabia, the road Titiano, Fabi being soon said, or you'll be out, he, and answer or nobody, and after his wife said, very bizarre insuno. What about for na dear everyone say you need to say a dear one a car brand here a brand seniors mock or mobile tron comako fee what they say it's we and so to be bar honoma what the baby say we and on a questioner the same name because say I didn't see anybody dream no what they be day what they call we are here and I don't know what the commo be and now that I'm going because it's the idea the exchange and some of the piano. Yebetimi enya na achefe yenso yetimi eni yetiefo eni yamanfo na ache
kesi yeda se pa na koso afa wani di echi ne beto apono su bia na amayanso ate
so me da se
ebusuafo eye kesi eni ene ne twetwe enkomo no sa asem we die eno a meti ye mi bisa me questions bebre because me way back SHS you call even level 100 the crampon the be dey level 100
I say no
SHS 1
this is almost can 100 and 200 one can form 1 form 2 be mo
the any my form 1 me call form 1 for eye me chop box no ye be yi uniema mu nyina me bag o ye be yi mu nyina wo bibia every Friday Madam Naomi beba be hwehwe oniemem every Friday me phone ye sizi be me ensa
o ya kra boni
me na me nya kra boni me ncha
wo da phone ko e dey o school
me ncha wo da but do you know something me you be a me pe movies share me sa pe videos that time no me time na YouTube na e so me share YouTube san and I love to sing intimation me tie nyom san na me hwe performances me sichiwo I like that inti me akasa no so what's the me I can't live without my phone so phone ni me ho na me ho keka me
every day tapping I know
yeah that is it so me no de bia ya je me phone me ensa so adenti na create me at school musa omo be school is it not January mu honum no mu be school
after Christmas
that means say betimi aba say tuo ne sha akra no ho saa afen we yi tuo no.
But these kids are smart too. Only me said they
what did say?
What if they could see bush be? Like said they would search. So what if maybe he hid it somewhere in the bush and maybe and I said backyard be na here now quick.
60 yes what did he say?
18 omumi enu na 18
any obey them
18 o say any obey them
18 years obetimi adam say me hu ne say bia na danfo bia na ne papa bia na say ne bra de me fa ne say ne bra bi kwa na e bia o yesu jani no akofa tu na person de 18 years okofa no we
ofa na
on say
show off stuff
and yes ne ehye no ne pockets
and na mabeka yen take it from this angle because etuo no see the osima kesem sima explanation wutimi hu say etuo no na ne crowfa no mo around they knew say owotuo won ho obi ankwa reported that I was saying nkra ni nyina omo ka ho ni nyina school no omo yi omo different school mo ane yama omo punishment
but it says sorry okay it says something about being fake.
No munim say fitness omuhu say ehye no hoda that day no mudi hu say odi to aba
and I make say yen taking it from this angle it could be say betimi ayetu said this is the first time when who e bi or the call class and na face so answer no de be call class no de be call dormitory answer of uncle or de be call no answer na or de akọ class so it could be say you be taking it from two angles say bia either mpose bi or your border and also your day student so or your day student or the free fee buy no or person or try like how akra no nim ni oye me to me when is onim ni oye because onim ni oye etuo na wo de ba onim say etuo ankasa so why then do you have to bring etuo no to school?
I always say a real gun because real gun say this is real.
This is real.
Ana obi ncheche mu so a enyo ne fa etuo no and the friends no more class no and hu tuo no ti akoye say mama nhwe fake mama nhwe enye fake mama nhwe fake enye fake ne sa na obi di ne sa corporate na toye ti na akwa ne so eti wo osuya de say revision week on be makwan say break o say dey ti wa osuya de na split say e ma we ni bi gu na ni ti na am na say ne eye no
kese kan wo say ono no it seems like a happy or class when you say break o
as a class
so much mock and once uko school be as we seniors a trauma most at times na class in serious enti e betimi aba say o ka say girl ni hye ne kana baby esua de no na people are around class no mu misbehave can your mope obi e can so them to it could be so almost so your made no mato and akoto akra so you get it
say the bullets no it spreads like those local guns no petit like in an angle like kind of way
yeah
sane ti ono de e 20 buy no nka ho but on na de buy ade nti na de 20 buy ono no nka ho ma no mo di 20 e kun se e real nya e fake no nka ho no nka sa anko for
no na say
no nka sa anko for
no nka ho that's what Kessie said say no nka ho but all the same even Kofi Adoma when this girl the eye issue is very serious
no see
very very serious
once Kofi Adoma when they say or outside country na yes so go take care of do you know
Kofi Adoma kron we need there no now wakofa dia ba
yes take
yeah
baby say
take dey say you no mo yo BBL no mo yo
mo ni na bro
oh
take dey say BBL onko UK ni US ko take
oh so I think say we say omo de ekapa na aba because see the osika say oba akra na eye etu oboba na egu na ni kra ne maame mo kro mo ti mo
no be chi no 18 years de no be chi no
ne maame ye ntime mo ne maame amane ye de that means say you a long way to go. Ghana has say this time as some see enra basis amre say kobo 6 so say you timi nko kan che ne ma media.
It's
me na me say
very bad.
Two no na you 20 by na or you under age by 18 then no be chere.
What if said mama nim hospital which be na call better hospital. On country or on country mama like for real
Ghana
SG
no me dey call.
Then mom or say bia ne komo catch parents and they will be having different options of which
yeah.
What's love na ntama asem see. It's an upper 10 p.m. 10 a.m. An upper de biandra an upper Friday. It's school ni pese obi abehu. Omo pese omo treat you ansa kwa na media for
ba. Wrong.
It's omo relax and yeah betin.
Yes, parents ni betimi assume school no because when you malaria no aka chance on call a first aid in conquer drugs.
You are gambling with someone's eye.
Yeah.
Oh, God's like when you
first aid that's
condition now I can say obeni apai ne no kwa here if you kwa baby or kwa be betimi
don't no
even deaf if someone passes yesterday by at least liters cry and a power cry so man who says something is wrong somewhere.
Yeah.
Someone who says something
money omo ya adwen say was anka school ni report fast.
At least
a report fast.
There are ways of telling
and only a best way.
Yeah.
So what way yenim condition o me first obani apai e di to abona ma e bi kwa yenim de beto sa
it's better than deaf.
Simple no can check madam straighter. You have different ways.
Come to the school.
Yeah, come.
Emergency school.
It's wrong. I was say parents and also who was scar.
Personally I'll sue you.
Yeah, you need to sue
so
the
are you
school.
going to do that?
Of
say
course.
School now or boy say bia some school no
you're not helping them at
hey, you are not helping anything.
Tell the man, oh, DBS you there bra. Oba, mommy for they'll sit her down and tell us okay, fine. Your daughter had an accident yesterday, but they were in hospital. So she will accept the fact that her daughter is injured.
Yeah.
But you can't just keep it away from her. What do you say on no TV is and so go say neba. She can collapse.
Because at the time almost all of the media houses reporters are making stories about it. They are blogging it out.
By now she will have seen it because people like hey, no.
There be one say other sides yeah she won't see how my phone be bro money pass on social media we need to
but somebody will say hey okay fine. Like that is more dangerous than you telling me.
The school near right. I was anchor report. Oh, mommy, say now to ban into yeah. Then the question is
I think say you see one thing there.
Okay, system will be a Canada.
Okay, so thank you very much, Starflex Amani. Say obaye ni ebedi nkomo and also as stay in as our analyst, one of our analysts
it's
on
nice,
our show.
It's nice being here too.
Thank you very much. And also MC, I need to thank you too.
Oh, me dey
say
start me some project be pull us trap house Saturdays and every me dey asaka for na ESR project and every Saturday you know. If free next week we am dey we connect na be share say.
Okay,
for we
sure.
Me o kwase say onya upcoming. You say we found car upcoming.
You are there already. You are there already. It's just maybe where you want to. Yeah.
So I'll get to know you more and
sure. We'll talk.
Yeah,
so send me a serious minded people. So
thank you very much.
You're welcome.
And
hey, watching a party no beba. Watching Sunday to park party no. Ballest night, Mr. Fodugubra. Wow, you do go so bad for Libra. Immediately watching Sunday and people do I'm doing this for you.
Yana, we need to pay the casa. So Yana, what's happening?
Sorry, now
so you know I won't come.
Oh, Chile, once in a while for sure.
Oh, once in a while, dear. But on only the debut, you know. I told you in the studios. I want to saw the jacket. The kata was I won't come.
I don't want to my wife.
Yes. No, yes. You pay the bonsam secretary.
For sure.
Yeah. Need to pass a yenya wa hase. Aha, any idea and come what you training in our ABC and a special guest, a Starflex Amani, and it was very exciting talking to him. Or you're very good analyst, and we appreciate him saying yano what you're showing. So me ding at the Ghost Lava Fum, and always know me but now kunya kese so and yamen kwana metna so many MC Omar Sterling and it's not so near dim pensim mu achesani abasa ewo srani abasa nsem ekoso ewo social media ne so yenja o ha enko de biada ne yebeto yapno so bia ye de beba besom ye be se hie biem